Hi everyone, I'm Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. I'm here today with Samantha, and we're going to show you our Model 2051 folding machine. This is one of our favorite machines just because it's so easy to use. This folder is great for mailrooms, offices, churches, schools, and businesses. It has a variable speed, which allows you to switch from one paperweight to another without making any adjustments, saving time between folding jobs. It handles paper sizes from 2.5 inches to 2.5 inches by 5.2 inches up to 12 by 18, and paperweights from 18-pound bond up to 90-pound index stock. We do make this machine in our factory in Wabash, Indiana, so the parts and support are easily accessible. Let's take a quick look at the machine and then we'll set it up and run it. This is the feed table. It will hold up to 500 sheets of standard copy paper. It's a very straightforward display. This is going to tell you your fold select and your size. The most common fold types are pre-programmed, and it is also capable of saving up to 10 custom folds. The fold tables, there's two of these, one on this side, and then there's another one back here underneath there. They're enclosed for quieter operation. It does also have a conveyor exit on this end, and that just helps keep all your material neat and in order, because sometimes that can be very important to keep your papers in order. It does also have an auto shut off, so when your job is done, it's going to shut off. Now we're going to show you how super easy it is to set this up. Now this machine came straight off of our factory floor. So it just came through quality testing, and we're going to set it up. You select your size, a little bit of a glare there, and you select your fold type. And then Samantha's going to hit the test button. And it's setting up the folding tables real quick. I know you can't see it because of the glare, but it is adjusting. And then it's going to run 2 test sheets through here as soon as it gets done. We got to pop our fold table up here. Pause. Okay. There, it's adjusted. So now the test button will run. And it just runs 2 through, and that way you can check your fold and make sure that it folded how you wanted it to. This was just a standard letter fold, so it folded that great. And then if you want to change it, see if I can, there we go. You can see where it's changing the fold. That's fold table 1. And then it's, as it kind of slows itself down and stops, it can kind of it hesitates a little bit, so it can stop without going past the mark that it needs to go to. Now it's adjusting our second fold table. And then it also is going to adjust your stacking wheels on the exits. And then it folds our test sheets through. And this is an engineering fold. And we're just going to hit the run button. Green for go, red for stop. This is really straightforward and easy to use. Even when you have custom folds, this is your second fold table and your first fold table. It's pretty much just icons, so you can push everything and set it. Any questions? Well, that's all we have for you today. If you have any questions or if anything comes up, please give us a call at 800-225-5644 or check out our website at martinyale.com. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you so much.